Sunrise glow through the trees so green. Soft breeze touches the world so clean. The sound of birds begins the day, and sunshine smiles the clouds away. Under the shade where the rivers flow, I hear